Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Parcel. So actually their season 2 is currently live and will be able to earn their points, okay, and their token is gonna launch in April month, and they have altogether gained so far $11.5 million in the fundraise, guys, and this could be a huge one. And people who are having more number of points here by just locking your liquidity or else just doing a trade will be able to earn some points. I'll show you in this video how you can do those things and how you can make your account here. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the all button and like this video and continue watching it, guys. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. And this is our Telegram channel, guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, Airdrop details, Airdrop link and everything, so must follow me here too. And recently we have achieved 40k subscriber in our YouTube channel, guys. All thanks to you only, guys, because without you I wouldn't have got this much subscribers. And let's start the video, guys. And this airdrop is kind of similar to Ethena airdrop. So 49k shards I have collected so far. So in case if you haven't watched this video, you'll be able to go inside my channel and watch this video. I'll be leaving this link also in the description. And this airdrop which we are going to see currently, so it is not completely similar to this project and all. So we just here need to lock our balance and all. So I'll show you how it works, okay. So firstly I'll be leaving this link in the description, guys. Just click on the link, it will take you here. And first of all we need to connect our wallet. So once you connect your wallet, we need to create an account to view our portfolio, okay. So this is the main thing. So just come here and connect your wallet, give name to your wallet, and then click on I agree, and then I click on this I understand thing and just click create account. So guys, one more main thing, you need to have your phantom wallet ready for this one, because here we're going to connect our phantom wallet only and have some balance in Solana also, because we're going to use Solana as the gas fee. So after you create your account, it will tell you to fund your account, okay. So I'll show you how we can do funding and all. So first of all it will be looking like this only, okay, your profile. So here you can see activate points account, okay. So just click on that, and here we need to click on I agree to the terms and condition. And here you can see diamond hand is there. 2 points will be able to earn a day, and here you can see be the bank, and 4 points will be able to earn per day, okay. So just click on activate, and then here you can see point account got activated. So now we need to earn this point, okay. So in order to earn this point, here you can see in the side, just click on that and click on this point. And before that, if you use my code referral code, you'll be able to get 5% extra points, okay. So come here and type chennaimarketer. I'll be leaving this also inside my Telegram channel and in the description also. Just copy the code and paste here and click on save. Once you click on save, you will be able to get the 5% of the points, okay. So after you successfully bind the code here, we need to click on this one. So just click on this one and click on the points, okay. So once you click on the point, so this is where we'll be able to check our points, guys. And here you can see my points is showing so it will get updated after this time runs out. So after that we'll be able to get to see our point, and here you can see 4 points we'll get if we just lock in LP, and we'll be able to get 2 points if we just do a trading here. And if you refer people also, you'll be able to earn 10%, okay. So now just click on top of these things and click on this provide liquidity. So just click on that. And so guys, here only we need to deposit in the liquidity, okay. So before that we need to fund the account. So in order to fund the account, if for example if you just click on this New York itself now, so here you can see fund account will be there, okay. So just click on that, and it will ask how much balance you are having in your wallet. So currently I'm having in my wallet, I'm having little amount of USDC. So $12 I'm having. And one more thing is there, guys, the more number of dollar you deposit here, the more number of point you're going to get, okay. For example, if you deposit here $50 to $100, you're gonna get according to that much dollar amount, you will be able to gain the points for that, okay. So I'm going to deposit my $12 and confirm depositing it here. So MetaMask, I mean your phantom wallet will pop up. Just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, deposit got completed. Just close this one, and we have deposited some certain amount of money here, okay. So now we need to do 2 things, okay. One is providing liquidity here, and another one is you can see the market. We just need to open a long or short position. So I'm just gonna choose this Miami Beach itself, and I'm going to deposit some $5, okay. So for just long position, I'm just going to open. Just click on preview long and just click on open long. So guys, in case if you face those kind of error so just come back, and I opened Los Angeles, and I'm going to again open a position for $5, and I'm gonna click preview, and I'm going to click long, And now here you can see now your phantom wallet will open. We just need to make a transaction. Click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, here you can see diamond hands bonus activated. Okay, so now our bonus got activated. So the here guys, the more number of money you put for the trading, so that much money you will be able to earn from here. Okay, so for example, here you can see in the diamond hand I'll be able to earn 9.9 points only per day. So in case if I would have invested $50 to $100, I would be able to gain more points. Okay, so probably I would add more amount here. Since I just wanted to demonstration purpose, I brought $12 something like that. So that's why guys. So now here you can see your diamond hand points. For me it's showing 9.9. So if I would have invested higher amount of money, the points would be more higher. Okay, so I'm regretting now, so I'll do it later. Okay, so now what you have to do is after you do the trade, so here you can see deposit liquidity will be there. So in order to deposit, so you need to have some balance, but with the small amount of value I'm showing you guys, if you want higher number of points, the more number of money you invest here, that much amount of point only you'll be earning it. Okay, so I'm just going to invest here that $4 which I'm having in the balance. So just click on 4 and we'll be able to deposit that much amount. Okay, so here guys we're going to deposit, but here fund deposited into the liquidity pool are subject to minimum lock up to 30 days. Okay, so 30 days you will not be able to do anything with your fund. Before depositing you should know this. So I'm just clicking deposit, and I'll be able to earn 16 points per day. Okay, for this much amount, and your phantom wallet will open now, and just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the transaction will be done. Okay, so now here you can see be the bank bonus got activated in our wallet, and here you can see per day I'll be able to earn 16 points. Okay, so for the amount of just $4. So in case if I would have invested 100 above dollar, 50 above dollar, it would be more. Okay, so once you deposit the money, so our point will get added in this points page. Okay, so just click on the point page, and here you can see here we'll be able to see our points, but currently nothing is showing. The reason is the next update will happen after 10 hours. So this is the way for gaining point guys. Actually this is the season 2. so season 1 some of you might have missed, even I missed it. Okay, in the season 2 do not miss it. The reason is so because in the April month we'll be able to get the airdrop. Okay, so guys it's totally up to you to try this one guys, since investment based airdrop. Okay, so if you wanted to invest, do at your own risk, and here you can see the contests also there. If you want you can join here, and just click on I understand and click on the join contest. So here if you trade gather higher number of volume, so you might be eligible to earn the reward, but this is nothing guys, just be stick with this one. Okay, providing liquidity, and click on browser and choose any of the project, and there we need to open a long or short position. Okay, if you do so we'll be able to earn actively points, and in case if you want to close the position, for example just click on this one and just click on this one and close your position, in case if you want to close your long or short position. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.